Working with JavaScript Popup windows in Selenium WebDriver. In this video, I'll show you how to manage JavaScript Popups in Selenium WebDriver. Let's see the type of JavaScript Popups available. First one is alert boxes. In alerts, you have a message and just OK button, and you cannot click anywhere once there is alert. You have to consume it to proceed. Next is confirmation box. In confirmation box, you have a cancel button in addition to the OK button and the message. Of course, you have to consume it before proceeding. The next one is the prompt. In case of prompt, you have additionally an input box where you have to type something which is optional, and you can click OK and you will get it. Let's see the API associated with the alerts. Alert is an interface and you have 4 methods available: accept, dismiss, get text, and send keys. In the WebDriver, you have to switch into the alert before working with them. So the WebDriver.switch to method is very important to switch into the alert. Let's see how we use them in practical case. Let's see start with the managing a simple alert. We will use our demo site. Start creating a Java class to include all these test methods. And I have fast forwarded this section to create a WebDriver instance. First WebDriverManager .ChromeDriver.setup, and in the before method section we create a ChromeDriver instance. WebDriver equal new ChromeDriver. Then maximize the window and set the implicit timeout value to 10 seconds. Now let's add the test method to manage the alert. Of course, we have to go to the URL. Let's name it as base URL. Open a browser and copy the URL. We will directly jump into this one. Copy and WebDriver.get, call the variable base URL to access the page. Now let's add a command to click the alert button. WebDriver.find by, let's see, we don't have an ID, so we'll find the XPath for this. We'll use RanorX to evaluate the XPath. There are 4 buttons, and within square brackets we write text and the visible text. Of course, we'll use contains within brackets and click to evaluate it. It's fine. The XPath is correct. We copy the XPath and paste here by.xpath, and within double quotation give the XPath, and you can call the click. It's not available. It's because we have used find elements instead of find elements. So do the correction here and find element and dot click. When you are working with one element, you have to use find element. Now let's switch to the alerts. So this is the magic command to switch into alerts, confirmation or prompt. So let's assign to a variable alert equal alert, and you can check the message in the alert box, alert.getText, and with the message, and we copy and paste into the expected value. Now let's see how to click the OK button. Alert.accept can be used for simulating clicking the OK button. Now if you want to see the message when you after clicking the OK button, you can have assert equal, or rather get the message first. Find element by dot id, and this is to locate the element, then dot get text to get the visible text. So you can get the message dynamically. Now you can verify it. Assert equals the actual message is the message coming from the message variable, and the expected is alert is gone. Ensure that you copy everything and paste it here. Now the test method is ready, and we can run the test. The browser is open, navigating to the page, and it's very fast, and the test is done. Now let's see how to manage the confirmation boxes. Here we will see how to click the cancel button, since we are already familiar with getting the message and clicking the OK. Let's start with creating a test method. And we add the after method and add the code for closing the browser after every method. First one is clicking the confirmation button. We can use the existing code from the simple alert. For clicking, it's more or less similar, only the button name, the visible text in the button name is changed, so remove it, and get the text from, ensure that you copy the spaces source if there is any, and it is case sensitive also. Now get the alert, or rather confirmation. Alert is an interface, as you saw in the API documentation. It can be assigned to alert, confirmation, and prompt. Now let's simulate clicking the cancel button. .dismiss will simulate the clicking the cancel button. Now let's get the message appear in the web page. So it's more or less same place, and we can reuse the code line from the simple alert and verify the message appear. Message is on copy the message, and now it's ready to run. Test is being executed, and you can see green light in the idea, so test is pass. Let's see how to handle prompt. Here the difference is the input box in the pop-up window. Let's add the test method, and we will demonstrate only typing text into the input box. Rest should be same and already done and covered through confirmation and simple alert. Test method is added. Now the first thing is you have to click the button and switching into the alert. The message is copied by inspecting the element, replace it with the new one, and the variable name should be changed into prompt. It's more appropriate. Now you can use the prompt dot the last method that you are working with, send keys, to type some text into the input box, and we type pragmatic, and once it is done we have to click the OK button. So prompt dot accept. Now you can get the message appearing in the web page in the message location. Now let's verify it once it is done with the actual and the expected. Expected is what you type. Now it's ready to run the test.